John, you've always recommended that it's important to ask questions during a job interview, but wouldn't that make me look that I'm too assertive or too demanding in front of the recruiter? Two things to respond to this question. Number one, if a company does not celebrate its people being able to ask questions or challenge their ideas, it's a red flag. You're going to be ending up working with a company that only keeps on dictating what you ought to do, and you won't be happy. Number two, this is not just about you auditioning for a role. This is also the company auditioning if they are the right company for you. So it's a two-way street. You're not here begging for a job. You're here to discover if this is the right fit for your career.